Welcome to the demo of artificial intelligence based quiz generator app. Let us run the app. Since it is a Django based app, we use Python manage.py. This is that manage.py file. Run server. Immediately the app opens here on port 8000. Before I show that, some debugging messages I have provided just for the showing the power of Django. That here you can see that some how many quizzes are already there. Yes, 16 quizzes are already there stored in the database. So Django is much more scalable framework compared to ordinary Flask or Streamlit type of applications, because Django can allow use of databases, it can allow authentication, it can allow form handling, and I can give example of some of the most popular apps which are being run in the world at present, which can handle thousands or perhaps millions of requests simultaneously. They are Instagram, Dropbox, and another very popular app is Pinterest. So you can understand the power of these. Currently, it is a smaller, low scale version and running on my local host, but still 16 quizzes are stored, and the number of quizzes which I can generate is only limited by the space available on my hardware. I can generate thousands of quizzes. All of that quizzes will be saved on the database, and all of them can be retrieved whenever I require. So that is pretty handy. Okay. So let us see, open this code and see what is there. Currently there is nothing. So first open that, and this is simple user interface. Here I will paste some text and it will generate 20 multiple choice MCQs with 4 possible answers with only one correct answer using this. Each question will be unique. That is taken care by GPT 3.5 Turbo. And of course, in the app also some logic has been provided so that data set, when these app quizzes are stored, then they are stored as unique entries. So that means some primary key is generated. Now here earlier quizzes are there that you can see. So I can run and again say I insert something on deep learning, because on artificial intelligence I think maybe 1, 2, 0, 1 and 2, 3 total quizzes are already generated. These were all trial runs. On Mercedes company there is, on Albert Einstein 3 quizzes are already there. So I am trying deep learning once again. I have saved the paragraph just to save the time. So here somewhere this is that paragraph, and you can see it is a long paragraph. So this quiz app does not put any restriction on the number of words from which you want to generate your 20 questions. Of course, there is a token limit with that GPT 3.5 Turbo, but that you can adjust depending upon your budget. So I just click generate questions button and wait for a while. Request goes to GPT 3.5 Turbo, and soon here in this region, yes, even before I speak, 20 questions and their correct answer with four options are generated. Okay, so that is it. Now as such you can copy paste also, but I have provided a mechanism by which one can directly download this quiz, and one can also view all previous quizzes. So the mechanism can be seen here. These are all previous quizzes. Earlier there was one quiz on deep learning already, and now this is new quiz. So it is deep learning one. Okay, and this is the whole app. Now you can see that these Django based apps, they become a bit complicated, but in return they provide unmatched functionality and scalability. So these are various Python files. These are HTML files. This is the database which is storing all quizzes, and characteristic of Django applications is there will always be one project folder and there will be one app folder. Project folder usually includes basic settings of your app, while configuration, and app folder usually includes the logic by which your app will work. Okay, I'm not going into this because this was just a demo of how the application is working. And from localhost you can deploy on any cloud-based server. So actually we have another one app which is an essay generator app. Similarly, this is a quiz generator app. Then we even incorporated one another small module uh, in which the students are given a form in which they will enter their answers, and as soon as they press submit button their exam is immediately evaluated by using uh, by using the answers which are already stored in the database. So this is a proof of concept, but it's a more scalable version with a lot of bells and whistles, and combining essay generation, quiz generation, then checking the answers and result generation, then sending that result via SMS or maybe email to students directly. Every operation related to exam can be automated. Thank you.